the global price gap. Mazda launches China-built CX-6e in Australia. The global automotive landscape is shifting as legacy manufacturers increasingly rely on Chinese production to fuel international markets. The latest example of this trend is the arrival of the Mazda CX-6e in Australia, a move that highlights both the growing influence of Chinese manufacturing and the significant price discrepancies between regional markets. A tale of two markets, while the CX-6e is a new contender in the Australian electric vehicle (EV) market, its pricing tells a story of vast geographic differences. In Australia, the entry-level GT model starts at $53,990 approx. US $38,000. In China, the same model begins at just 139,900 yuan approx. US $20,500 or $28,900. This massive price gap, where the Australian model costs nearly double the Chinese version, reflects more than just shipping costs. It highlights the complex interplay of local tariffs, logistics, regional market positioning, and the different competitive landscapes in each territory. Positioning against the competition, Mazda is positioning the CX-6e as a direct challenger to the Tesla Model Y by undercutting Tesla's base RWD model. Starting at $58,900, Mazda aims to capture buyers looking for a premium feel without the Tesla price tag. The CX-6e is a product of the Chang'an Mazda joint venture in China and shares its DNA with the Deepal S07. Unlike the Chinese market, which offers a highly affordable range-extended version, using a 1.5-liter engine as a generator, the Australian lineup focuses strictly on fully electric powertrains. Specifications and features for Australian consumers, the CX-6e offers a tech-heavy interior designed to compete with modern EV standards. The GT trim entry-level powertrain, a rear-mounted electric motor producing 255 HP, 190 kW, and 214 lb-ft, 290 Nm of torque. Battery, a 78 kWh lithium iron phosphate LFP battery. Range, a claimed 484 km, 301 miles on a combined cycle. Charging, capable of charging from 30% to 80% in roughly 15 minutes. Key tech, a massive 26.45-inch central infotainment display, 19-inch alloy wheels, radar cruise control, and premium comforts like heated ventilated seats and a 23-speaker audio system. The Azami trim, premium, for those willing to pay a premium, starting at $56,990. The Azami trim adds several high-end technological refinements: digital wing mirrors and a digital rearview mirror, upgraded 21-inch alloy wheels. The broader context, the launch of the CX-6e marks a pivotal moment for Mazda as it navigates the transition to electrification. By utilizing Chinese production hubs, Mazda can deploy specialized EV models more rapidly, but it also faces the challenge of justifying higher international price points in a market increasingly crowded by both domestic Chinese brands and established EV leaders like Tesla. The CX-6e represents Mazda's strategic attempt to bridge the gap between traditional driving dynamics and the high-tech requirements of the modern EV era. Even as regional pricing disparities remain a stark reality for global consumers.